After testing dozens of PDF tools over the years, I think I finally found one that does everything without slowing you down. The PDF Master brings editing, AI features, conversion, form creation, security and more into one clean platform. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the download link in the description. Now let me show you exactly why this might become your new go-to PDF tool. When you open Cisdem PDF Master for the first time, you will get this screen, but this is not where the magic happens. I'll show you in a second, but if you need some quick tools, you can always just use over here. Or if you need to quickly create PDF, you can go to this drop-down menu and you can create from file, from blank page, from web page, and so on and so on. Right now, we didn't open any PDF files, so we don't see recent files over here, but let's check out with some sample PDF that I prepared for this video. Go to Open Files, and over here, click Sample PDF and open it up. And this is where the magic happens. Maybe this is too big for your preview, so you can just hold Control and zoom a little bit out, just like in any other editor. And let me now just run you quickly through all these options so you can see how awesome this program is. As I said before, I think I found my perfect PDF tool, and let me show you why. Just like in any editor, you can see the pages on the left side, and you can immediately notice that you can, if you drag and drop, you can immediately change the order of your files, something like this. And this is a quick way for you to change the ordering of your files. And when you're ready, for example, you can go here and click Save As, and you can save as a new PDF file. Now let me just show you some cool features. Over here we have some annotation features like this highlight, which is super awesome. If you just select and drag, it will highlight all the important information in your PDF file. You can underline it if you want, you can strike through, and so on and so on. You can add text box, click here, and click here on the page anywhere to add some text. And if you click on your text, you can change the font here, the color, size, and so on. And if you want to change some properties, just click here and you can change the outline, the opacity of the text. And when you see this, you can immediately recognize that this is the advanced PDF editor. When you're done, just click anywhere around or press escape. To delete it, select it, hit delete, and so on. So we can add some notes. Click on a note, click anywhere on your PDF file, and just we have some freehand, some eraser here, adding some shapes, arrows, lines. And particularly interesting is, I don't know how to use this, but this measuring tool is pretty interesting. So you can select it and measure from here to here. Very interesting feature. I highly doubt that you will use this in your work, but very nice to have. Of course, you can delete everything by selecting, hitting delete, and selecting, hitting delete, or you can change the colors here and so on. As I said, very advanced and very intuitive tool to use. Also, we can add links like in any program. We can stamp here. Particularly interesting is that you can use dynamic stamp, so it will use your current date and time. So click it here and click reviewed. Also, don't forget that you can drag all the elements if you select them, or make, for example, like this, so it looks just fine. Of course, the signature is here, so select it. I prepared the signature here, so I can just click, add some signatures here. And if you want to add your signature, you can click this plus button and go to the trackpad, so you can draw your signature here, or you can upload image of your signature, or you can type in with your keyboard. And click Save and Apply, and your signature will be here. To delete it, just delete it here, hit OK, and you'll be fine. You can also hide all the annotations here, so you can preview your document without any of this. Let's now move to the Edit PDF section here, where you can edit your PDF as you like. So you can add text here, add text inside the PDF, which is super useful. It will mimic your font. It will just, this is just, for me, this was a game-breaking feature of this program. Also adding images, adding watermarks. If you want to add watermark, click Add Watermark. You can scale it, you can put it in front of the text, behind the text, you can change the color of your watermark and so on and so on. And when you are ready, hit apply. And if you don't want to apply, just hit exit and hit no. You can change the background of your document, adding header and footer. You can also crop your document by hitting crop and changing the dimensions here and hitting apply. Now let's move on to the Cisdem PDF Master interactive tools. This means adding forms, adding checkboxes. As you can see, you can add text fields that you can fill out later, edit checkbox, ratio list, adding drop-down buttons, create signature field for someone to sign the document. For example, if I click, let me just click checkbox here, here and here. And now if I go to file and click save as, click save, and it will save as a PDF file with checkboxes. Now if I open it with my Google Chrome, I'm sorry, it's on my other monitor, I will put it here. You can see that we can add checkboxes to our PDF file and make it interactive. Don't forget that on the right side, always check the right side. Over here you can change the appearance, you can change the properties of any of these options here. Now let's move on to the converter section of our PDF master. You can see over here that you can instantly convert your PDF to Word, to Excel, to PowerPoint, to image and PDF to other formats. And this is good because it's offline, and if you have some protected information and you don't want to share it with all the online tools out there, this is a very, very good thing to have. Don't forget that we have a protect, so you can set a password, for example. Click set password, open password, and over here you can type in password, encrypt it, and when you try to open this document, it will ask for a password to open it up. Under the tools section, we have this object character recognition tool that you can use to extract text from the image. For example, if your PDF is image, you can change it to text and save it to another PDF or TXT file and so on. You can merge multiple files. You can compress it to make it smaller. You can compare with other PDF file, which is super awesome feature. And you can extract images. For example, click extract all images and it will extract images from all the pages you have here. Another good and very, very interesting feature is this text to speech, so you can read your PDF file. This is not good for my example here because I have this dummy text for this presentation of this video, so you can listen to your PDF file. If you want to elevate your PDF editing to the next level, this is super great. This is an AI tool section here that you can truly increase and maximize your productivity. It's AI summarizer, rewriter, proofreader, translator, deep think, everything you need for your high-end PDF editing and productivity and saving your time in the process. And when you are done with editing your PDF file, as I showed before, go to File and over here click Save As. You can flatten your PDF, you can instantly convert it to any of these formats, compress multiple, merge, add security here, even create a slideshow. So you can click play from the beginning and this will be a slideshow that you can show, for example, on your business presentation and something like that. And don't forget, if you go to the settings, that you can choose some appearance to be dark, dark light, open file and so on. So check out over here what you need to change and you will be just fine. And that's a full walkthrough of PDF Master. After using it for a while, I can say it delivers a lot more than a basic PDF editor. The AI tools, the conversion features, the form creation and the built-in security options make it a solid all-in-one solution. If you work with the PDFs often, it's definitely worth trying out. You can download it from the link in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.